Hey guys, a little explanation. You see my baby boy, the 29-year-old's on his way to North Carolina on his sport bike for 4 days, and um, I normally like to sit in that chair. That's how I start my morning. I'll sit there and drink my coffee and look at the junk in the garage and think about my day, plan out my day, because I'm a retiree. I had something happen the other day, yesterday, and 2 days before that. And the reason I'm posting this video, because I try real hard to keep up on the comments. If you folks are good enough to watch my garbage, I need to be good enough to respond to your comments and to read them and interact. Because for me, the fun of the channel doesn't happen in the making of the video or any of that. I'm usually scared when I'm making a video. I'm a very shy guy. And, well, I haven't been able to even look at my channel for 3 days now, and it's weird. It's weird. You see my barn, the back corner back there. I've been dealing with some deeply buried demons, and 4 days ago I had a severe anxiety attack, and did my best to recover from that and hope it would never happen again. Then yesterday, working on the back corner of the shed, trying to put the trim on, it didn't go well at all, and it brought forth an emotion that I had concerning that shed and a project that my family and I had planned to do together on it. And it's hard to describe an anxiety attack or a panic attack, but you can't stop the escalation. You have zero control, and within 5 minutes I was in full-blown A-fib and hyperventilating and sweating so profusely I had to strip off my shirt. And oh my God, if it weren't for my son Kyle, I had the presence of mind to call him and ask for his help with the shed, and by the time he got there, working on the shed was no longer what I needed him for. And it's so weird. It's so weird. I'm standing here in my garage doorway, and I'm kind of I'm afraid to go back out in my yard, and I gotta take a few days to regroup here, and I'm gonna get back to work on Lucy and show what's in my mystery box in my bedroom. But I'm not gonna do any more videos for a few days until I catch up with the comments and emails. Terry, I know you've emailed me 4 or 5. I've got several emails from you, and I'll try to get to them in the next day or two. Okay? Tonight, probably not tonight. But I got an appointment with my PA regarding this, and it's nothing new. It's just a recurrence of something that hasn't happened in decades. And so I'm going to take a few days off, and I'm going to be catching up with my emails and the comments and such. Okay? I thank you for watching, and I wish you all so very well. 73.